Hey guys, so it's me. So you can see these are the onion plants. So today I'm going to show you how to grow an onion plant. So first I have cut in a slice of an onion plant. Then I plant it here, and here you can see some daisy flowers which I'm going to grow here only with this tulsi plant. So they are growing really beautifully. You can see. So now I'm going to share some tips how to grow onion plant properly. Okay, so first step is to cut some slices how much plant you want. Like suppose you need two plants, I am planting two plants, that's why I'm using two slices. So like after 3-4 days you can see like they will germinate and become like this. Make sure these things are tight. These things, if these are loose enough, then it might need some more nutrients to grow. So now I'm going to water them. So make sure it drain well, sure it's like go to your roots. Also make sure the whole soil is wet so that it gets nutrients properly. Okay. Hey guys, so today's day 5 and you can see they are growing a little. And see, like I saw yesterday it was a bit small, today it is grown. So I also want to tell you one thing, like if you want to plant an onion plant, you need to cut the part below which look like root, as you can see in the screen. That part you have to cut and place it on the soil where you want to grow onion plants. Okay, today you can see they're grown up and today is day 8.